Hello guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can deploy your code from GitHub straight to the web. Okay, so join me and follow along. If you're confused at any point, please kindly watch this video all over again, and if you still don't understand any step, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you out. So let's get through it. Now I assume you've already written your code and you've pushed your code to GitHub, so we'll be using this one as example. Click on it, wait for it to load. Now what you have to do is, first of all, this is your code. Okay, what you have to do is come up here, click on settings, right? And once it loads, come to the left sidebar, click on pages. Okay, now look at it saying GitHub pages. GitHub pages is designed to host your personal, organization, or project pages from a GitHub repository. So you come down here to branch, click on this drop down menu and select master. Your own might be main or it might be master, so select master, make sure it's selected. Okay, now come over here and click on save. Now it's showing here that GitHub pages source saved. Okay, what you have to do is to close it and you give it some time to deploy. So sometimes it takes a minute to 2 minutes or 3 minutes tops, so you just have to keep refreshing. Because a link will appear at the top. So all you need to do is keep refreshing and be patient. Wait for it to run the full deployment. Then we'll have a link. Boom. So here's the link right here. So this is the link you will use to view your website or your app on the live server. So you need to do is right click to view it on the next tab. So here's your code right here. But please bear in mind that before you deploy your code to the server, make sure that your HTML file is named as index.html. Please make sure your HTML file is named as index.html. Please do not name it any other thing. Don't name it form.html or whatever. Make sure your index file is named as index.html. That way it will be able to be visible on the web. Okay, so make sure you do that and you'll be fine. So thank you and thank you very much. See you guys on the next one.